The wolf steps into the rainforest, a world unlike his own. The air is thick with mist and ancient secrets. His paws sink into the wet earth, every sound swallowed by the rain.
But something moves. Beneath the fallen leaves, silence breathes. The hunter has become the hunted. A shadow unfurls, the boa awaits.
The battle explodes. Fang meets scale in a brutal clash of titans. The serpent strikes, the wolf yields, the roar silences to it. Plain, broken, the predator vanishes.